My name is John Flavin. I'm Executive Director of Chicago Innovation Mentors, and I've been a long-time serial biotech entrepreneur here in Chicago for over 20 years. I started two companies, the first Medichem Life Sciences and the second Advanced Life Sciences. And in each of those companies, we were involved in building a business from startup phase all the way through an IPO in each case. And we were focused around the science of drug discovery and development, trying to take new drugs from the early stage of discovery all the way to the marketplace. And so when I learned about Chicago Innovation Mentors, I knew it would be an ideal fit as I came on board as Executive Director 11 months ago, because SIM in itself is a startup, and I felt like I could help SIM begin to help other entrepreneurs coming out of our universities here in Chicago start new biotechnology companies, because I knew a lot of the issues and obstacles that they would be facing, and I felt like I could contribute to their success for the benefit of the Chicago biotech ecosystem. So much is not fully understood by the entrepreneur when they start that process. I know I was in the same boat as we started our companies. We didn't have an organization like SIM around when I was moving through the process. Taking the first step in starting a business and then commercializing a very complex R&D technology is a long and daunting process. And by putting, in our case, experienced mentor teams made up of deeply experienced executives and professionals in the Chicago area who have launched such products before around an entrepreneur. For example, we take 3 to 5 individuals from the mentor community, assign those mentors to a mentee, an entrepreneur, in most cases a faculty member, to guide them, to give them advice, to talk about what they should be thinking about, whether it pertains to intellectual property, commercial strategy, regulatory strategy. All the kinds of technologies that we develop here that SIM is focused on have a lot of issues that need to be faced, and that's why the team-based mentoring is really successful as opposed to just one-on-one mentoring. They get multiple points of view with multiple functional skill sets that an entrepreneur in the biomedical arena will face. Well, I think it very much is representative of the American dream. When you think about these professors and these entrepreneurs, they have a vision, and their vision is to take their life's work, which in many cases is a new drug, a new device, a new diagnostic, some healthcare IT technology that's going to help a patient. And you'd be really amazed and impressed with the amount of heart and soul that goes into what they believe in. And what they really believe in is the technologies that they're developing. And their American dream is to get those technologies to the market, into the hands of physicians who can treat patients. It's a very pure, unadulterated agenda on the part of these entrepreneurs. And I think SIM has really helped enable them to test their ability to succeed in achieving the American dream. I'll tell you, I love taking something from the concept stage and making it a reality. I think that's where I've added the most value in my career so far, is being able to move into a kind of a complex scientific organization or operation, have credibility with the scientists as well as the financial and business experts in the community, and be able to converse and convey passion, tell a story that allows the outside world to understand the importance of what it is our researchers and our entrepreneurs are doing. And so if I go back to the core of my career and the consistent theme that I've been able to, I think, demonstrate over time has been taking an idea that I really felt passionately about and that I believed could become a reality, and then adding my skills, my own persistence, my own ability to communicate effectively to a broader audience, to take it from concept to reality. What I would say about the American dream is, as much as we know is going on in global competition, I really believe that, again, we're at the dawn of a new era. I think we are at a new inflection point that's hard to see right now. but perhaps it's my entrepreneurial optimism that helps me to really feel like the American dream is still far superior to any other dream that you'd find outside of our geography. People still come here to try to practice what it is we already innately understand, and that is innovation, creativity, and taking risks. So it's important that we recognize that we still have that competitive advantage today, and it's up to us, really, to this generation to embrace it, move it forward, and make the next run. I would say you are the entrepreneur of the future. And I think it's important to recognize that certainly experience is important, but also inexperience and willingness to try new things is critical to trying to break through and build new things. So what I would say to students and potential entrepreneurs, both in Chicago and outside, would be take the step forward, take the risk. There's never been a better time. It won't be easy, but I don't think the alternatives are all that easy either. So use your creativity, trust in yourself, invest in yourself, and go for it.